Did you know that a single avocado packs nearly 20 vitamins and minerals? This creamy green fruit is not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. No wonder they're hailed as a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in potassium, folate, and vitamins like C, E, and K, avocados contribute to overall health in numerous ways. From heart-healthy fats that help reduce bad cholesterol to fiber that keeps you full and aids digestion, avocados have earned their place in kitchens worldwide. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies. But did you know the word avocado originates from the Aztec word ahuacatl, meaning testicle? This intriguing name reflects the fruit's shape and has been part of human culture for centuries. More than just a funny fact, this speaks to how long humans have valued this fruit. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, the avocado continues to be a beloved and essential part of our diet. I'd been hearing whispers of the avocado a day trend for a while. Social media was abuzz with avocado toast, smoothies, and even ice cream. Could such a simple addition truly make a difference? The skeptic in me needed proof. So I embarked on a journey: 7 days, 7 avocados. Before I even sliced into my first avocado, doubts crept in. Would I tire of the taste? Would my stomach revolt at the fat content? And what about the sheer repetition of it all? Could I really stomach, pun intended, an avocado every single day? This week, I embarked on a culinary adventure exploring the versatility of avocados in my daily meals. Day 1 began with classic avocado toast. The simplicity of mashed avocado on whole grain bread was a perfect start. The creamy texture paired perfectly with the crunch of whole grain bread, creating a delightful contrast that was both satisfying and nutritious. On day 2, I ventured into the world of smoothies. Blending avocado with spinach, banana, and almond milk resulted in a surprisingly refreshing treat. The smoothie was not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. As the week progressed, I experimented with various dishes. I made guacamole, which was a hit at a small gathering with friends. The creamy avocado mixed with fresh vegetables created a vibrant and flavorful dip. I also tried my hand at making salads, incorporating avocado for an extra layer of richness. One of the highlights was baked chicken stuffed with avocado and feta cheese. The combination of tender chicken and creamy avocado stuffing was simply divine. By week's end, my initial skepticism had transformed into genuine appreciation. Initially, I was doubtful about incorporating avocados into every meal. I wondered if I would get tired of the taste or if it would be too much of a good thing. While I didn't experience any life-altering transformations, I did notice subtle changes. My skin seemed a bit more radiant, and I felt a general sense of well-being. It was as if my body was thanking me for the nutrient boost. My digestion seemed smoother, and I felt fuller for longer after meals. This was a pleasant surprise, as I often struggle with feeling hungry soon after eating. But the biggest surprise? I wasn't sick of avocados. In fact, I found myself looking forward to my next avocado-based meal. The creamy texture and mild flavor made it a versatile ingredient. Their versatility continued to impress, proving that they could be incorporated into a diverse and satisfying diet. From smoothies to salads and even desserts, avocados found a way to shine in every dish. Have you jumped on the avocado bandwagon? If not, I highly recommend giving it a try. You might be surprised at how easily they can be added to your daily meals. Share your favorite ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. Whether it's a classic avocado toast or a creative new recipe, I'd love to hear your ideas. And let me know what food challenge you'd like to see me tackle next. Your suggestions keep these adventures exciting and fresh.